Up next are vegetables. They are important for our good health.
A tomato is a juicy, usually red, round fruit with seeds inside that we often use like a vegetable in our food.
A carrot is a crunchy orange vegetable that grows in the ground and helps your body grow big and strong.
A cabbage is a big, round vegetable with many leaves wrapped tightly together like a ball. A potato is a yummy, round or oval-shaped vegetable that grows underground and gives you lots of energy to play.
Corn is a tall plant that grows yummy yellow or sometimes colorful seeds called kernels that we can eat.
A green pea is a small, round, green seed that grows inside a little house called a pod.
Veggies are cool, they help you grow. Carrots for your eyes to glow. Spinach makes you strong, you know. Crunch, crunch, munch away. Eat your veggies every day. Green or orange, red or white. They'll make you feel just right. Tomatoes juicy, peas so sweet. Broccoli's a super treat. Veggies make your meal complete.
Now let's visit a farm where we're gonna meet lots of farm animals.
A cow is a big farm animal that gives us milk. Fluffy sheep. Sheep are very clever animals.
A horse is a big, strong animal with 4 legs and a long tail that people ride and use for work and fun.
A goat is a friendly farm animal that eats plants and can climb on rocks. A chick is a baby chicken that hatches from an egg.
A duck is a swimming bird with webbed feet and waterproof feathers that says quack quack.
On the farm where the animals play, the cow says moo all through the day. The pig rolls round in the squishy mud. The duck quacks loud with a splishy thud. Moo moo oink oink quack quack too. The animals sing just for you. Moo moo oink oink quack quack too. Come join the farm, there's lots to do.
Let's visit some wild animals now.
A zebra is a wild animal from Africa that looks like a horse but has special black and white stripes. The lion is a big, strong wild cat that is often called the king of the jungle.
A giraffe is a very tall animal with a long neck and spots that eats leaves from the tops of trees.
A monkey is a clever, playful animal with a long tail that loves to climb and swing in the trees. An elephant is a huge, gray animal with a super long nose called a trunk that it uses like a hand to eat and drink.
A tiger is a big, strong wild cat with orange and black stripes that eats meat and lives in the forest.
Lions roar and tigers prowl. Monkeys swing and wolves will howl. Elephants stomp so big and strong. Zebras dance all day long. Wild and free they play and run, under the sky and in the sun. Wild and free, come look and see. Animals live so happily.
Our next topic is transportation.
The bus is a large, safe vehicle, often yellow, that takes many children to and from school. A car has 4 wheels that helps people and families ride to different places, like school, the store, or a park.
Bicycles have 2 wheels set in a frame, and we can enjoy weather while riding it.
A boat is a vehicle that helps people and things travel on water. An airplane is a big, strong machine with wings and an engine that flies fast through the air, carrying people and things.
Wheels go round on the bus so bright. Trains go choo in the morning light. Cars go beep, beep, beep all day. Boats just float and drift away. Planes go zoom way up high. Bikes go ring as they ride by. Everywhere we go we see transportation's fun for you and me.